Good morning, dear Shem Stars. How are you all, students? I hope you all are safe at your home. Students, today we are starting with the question number 6 of the exercise 10.2. So, your question number 6 is the length of the tangent from a point A at a distance 5 cm from the center of the circle is 4 cm. Find the radius of the circle. So let us first draw the figure for the same. So we are having a circle with center O and a point A which is at 5 cm away from the center, and the tangent to that circle is 4 cm. We have to find the radius of the circle. So students, as we already know that the radius is always perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. So that means OBA will be a right angle triangle at angle B. So by using Pythagoras, we can find our third side. So here we are given with the hypotenuse as well as base. So perpendicular, that is OB, will become OA square minus BA square whole under root. So on calculating this, we will get BO square as 25 minus 16, that is 9. So that means BO is 3. We won't write plus minus 3 over here because we are talking about the side. So it has to be positive. So BO, that is radius of the given circle, is 3 cm. Next, question number 7 is two concentric circles are of radii 5 cm and 3 cm. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. So here we have drawn the figure. As you can see, our outer circle has the radius of 5 cm and the inner circle has the radius of 3 cm. So here our PQ is the chord to the smaller circle which is touching the inner circle at point A. So here, as we know that in case of a tangent, it is always perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. So this implies our OAQ will become a right angle triangle. And one result that you have already studied in class 9th was that if a line passes through the center of the circle, it always bisects the chord. So that means PA is equal to AQ. Next, we will be finding the length of the chord of the capital or the larger circle. So here we will be applying Pythagoras. In triangle APQ, OA square plus AP square will be equal to OP square. On substituting the values and simplifying, we will get AP as 4. So if AP is 4, this implies our complete PQ will be 8, as A at point A, it is being bisected by OA. So thus the length of the chord to the larger circle is 8 cm. Next, question number 8 is a quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Circumscribe a circle means quadrilateral is outside the circle. Circle is inside our quadrilateral. As you can see in the figure, then prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. So students, what result we are going to use here is that the length of the tangent to a given circle from an external point are equal. So here we will be having the result AP is equal to AS, DR is equal to DS, CQ is equal to CR, and SQ is equal to SP. So here, as you can see, they have used that the tangents drawn from the same external point are equal. So thus we are having the results dr is equal to ds, cr is equal to cq, bq is equal to bp, and ap is equal to as. Next, on adding all these results vertically, we will get the value as dr plus cr plus bp plus ap is equal to ds plus cq plus bq plus as. So students, as you can see, dr plus cr makes cd. Similarly, bp plus ap will make ab. On the other side, ds plus as will make ad. Similarly, cq plus bq will make cb. So hence our result is cd plus ab is equal to ad plus cb. The only thing that we need to keep in mind that which side should be taken corresponding to which side. That's all for today, students. Just today revise all these 3 questions thoroughly. We are going very slow in this exercise because all of its questions are quite important. That's all for today, students. Do revise what we have done in the class, and if you have any query, please feel free to ask on the Google Classroom. Take care and have a great day ahead.